Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Amos. Just a quick introduction about myself. So currently, I'm the founder of MetaWeb VC. We're a $30 million USD fund. Invest a lot in the Near ecosystem. Some of our backers include Sequoia, Dragonfly, SNZ, and more. At the same time, I'm also incubating lots of projects, and Beehive is one of those projects that we invested and incubated. Hence to why I'm giving a little bit of introduction today. And previously, I was actually part of the Near founding team. I was a CMO at one point, head of Asia at one point, and also the first product manager joining Near many years ago.
Hello, everyone. I'm Eunice, the head of marketing at BitHive. And before joining BitHive, I was actually leading marketing support for some top Near DeFi projects. And previously, I was also part of Near Foundation as a community manager. And before that, I was also the community manager at Block One back in 2017.
So let's talk about Bitcoin. It just keep breaking all-time high over and over again, right? This week, so everyone's super excited. It is, a gigantic market with 21 million Bitcoin out there. But unfortunately, because Bitcoin, as one of the first blockchain, it doesn't support smart contract. So a lot of those Bitcoin are now actually being utilized. And in terms of the DeFi and all the BTC layer 2, you essentially have to compromise in a sense that either using some custodial bridge or MPC-based solution. So hence to why we still think the adoption is still at early stage. And on the other hand, a lot of the POS chain and all the AVS actually need additional security because there are lots of services like Oracle, like Bridges, and even some of the AI applications are starting to using blockchain to build the product, right? But the issue is that it's really difficult to bootstrap. Not every chain or every product is actually Near that can actually take off with such a large market cap. And as you know, the security of a lot of the blockchain protocol actually relies on the market cap of the underlying token, right? So hence the reason why we kind of start working on this project called Beehive. And essentially, we're ready to tackle the Bitcoin staking market, which is still very much yet untapped. So I'm going to hand over the stage to Eunice to introduce Beehive.
Thank you, Amos, for giving us a very detailed background of why we founded BitHive. So now I will carry on and introduce more about BitHive and how it's going to transform Bitcoin staking as well as to empower the Near ecosystem. So BitHive actually provides BTC staking in a direct non-custodial way, and there's also no need to bridge any assets in between. So this ensures full control over the user's assets throughout the whole process. And Beehive protocols also is very secure and trustless in a way because we utilize this Near collar technology, which is chain signature for staking operations such as slashing and delegation, etc. And Beehive is also providing very diversified use cases, which supports a variety of applications from AVS, like Oracle's bridges and DA layers, and to POS security as well. Yeah, so, and also last but not least, with the integration of the all-stakes omni-chain mastery staking protocol, Beehive also allow BTC to contribute to shared security by using a very diverse set of assets such as Near, Ethereum, Solana, etc. So now we'll go through the system architecture of Beehive. First of all, there will be three innovative components of Beehive, which includes light client, which verifies BTC transaction, chain signature, as I mentioned earlier, which helps sign BTC transaction, and also relayer that helps monitor BTC transaction and also submit the information to the Near chain. On a high level, BitHive, no matter, regardless of depositing or withdrawing your assets, everything is run directly through the BTC native script. So everything is to ensure the highest security, and also we ensure that user will have the whole control of all the assets. And then chain signature is also playing a very vital role on Beehive because it helps facilitate the BTC operation on the Beehive contracts, such as accounting, delegation, slashing, and rewarding. So now we can talk a bit more about the process of depositing and withdrawal on Beehive. When a user submits the deposit, the transaction will be initiated by the user's BTC address directly through the BTC native script. So the user will have like whole control of their funds, and after that, the relayer will take place to submit the information to Beehive contract, and later on, the Beehive contract will verify the transaction's validity by using the BTC-like client and to record the whole deposit information, such as the staked amounts involved. When it comes to withdrawal, it will also need both the Beehive's contract's chain signature as well as the private address. But well, when it comes to the very worst scenario, when the chain signature is unavailable, the user can still use their own private key in order to withdraw the assets, but it will just take a certain period set of time, let's say 3 months. So in other words, we can say that the Beehive contract is very secure, and then the staked Bitcoins on it will always be secure, and the users will also have the full control of their own funds. So now we can see like the last part of the architecture is that we also integrated all stakes mass restaking, which provides a variety of use cases that includes the securing of POS and also AVS. So for securing POS networks, because Beehive is leveraging BTC as a security layer to enhance economic security across diverse POS chains, it integrates with different POS chains that irrespective of base layer architecture or consensus algorithm. So we basically support all POS chains in a simple word. And in terms of securing AVS, Beehive also utilizes BTC staking to secure decentralized infrastructure, including oracles, cross-chain bridges, DA layers, and most importantly, AI applications. So now we'll go a bit deeper about how Beehive is empowering near AI, because AI has been a very big focus in the near ecosystem, and then today we also have a lot of speakers talking about AI. So that is how Beehive empowers near AI in 4 different ways. First is the decentralized interface, because Beehive allows users to run large language models without relying on a single provider, so it enhances trust and security. And then it also provides very flexible security solutions with customizable security leasing options. And also it helps with collaborative model training, and last but not least, because it utilizes all-stakes mass restaking, so it ensures very high quality verified data while protecting against tampering. When you think about Bitcoin staking, you will the first project that comes in your mind would be Babylon, because it's the earliest protocol that comes up with this idea, and is also one of the top Bitcoin staking protocol right now. But there's one main difference between us and Babylon, which is the use of technology. Unlike Babylon, which is operating its own DPoS chain based on Cosmos technology, Beehive is utilizing Near protocols, and then it gives us a more decentralized, secure, and reliable platform, because Near, as for now, is 100% uptime since our mainnet launch in October 2020, and currently we have over 220 validators. And because of the Near chain signature and Litecoin, it also supports all types of POS chains, and it gives us a lot of more variety of use cases compared to Babylon. So here's the timeline. Actually, we're going to have our mainnet launch very soon, which is later this month. And then by that time, you're able to deposit, withdraw, and there's also points system for the platform. And then later this year, we'll also introduce delegation and ARRTs. And then next year, we also have plans to integrate mass restaking for BTC, and also have slashing mechanism, as well as secure chain signature MPC network with BTC. Because of the background of the team, so we have actually secured a very strong ecosystem partners for the project to help us with the development. But if any of you have if any of you have like your own projects that is, regardless if it's on Near or not, that would like to work with us and partner with us in any different ways, please also reach out to us after this talk, and then we can connect with each other and see how we can work with each other. So yeah, I think that is it. If you want to know more about us, please check our website, beehive.fi, and read our light paper, and also follow our X. Thank you.